You gotta say 3, 2, 1 because I don't know when it's on.
Oh, it's actually been on.
Really?
No, because you're gonna edit this, so you can just start whenever,
Okay.
right?
Yes. So, okay. Welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana, and this is Henry. Henry, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Today I wanted to share with you how we put together a sensory event for him, and we're going to be making snow and playing with some penguins and polar bears. So what you will need is 3 cups of baking soda and half a cup of conditioner. I highly suggest the Suave coconut conditioner because it's already white and it smells really good and it's not, and it's inexpensive. Yeah, you're gonna help. Are you ready to help? Yeah, you're gonna help Mama. All right, so we're gonna put it in this container that you can close it up and store it for later. You can use it up the next day, more than 3 days, and it will dry out. So we're gonna have him. Henry is 2.5 years old, by the way. So we're gonna have Henry pour. You're gonna pour the baking soda in. Here, you wanna help?
Help.
Yes. All right. You're gonna. Yes, in. All right. You're gonna help. You're gonna scoop and in. See? All right. You ready? You're gonna do all of it. Say in. In. When he starts getting quiet, that means that he's enjoying the activity. So that's a good sign for us. That's really, really good. Yay! But here, if you want to help Mama, just go ahead. You're gonna do it later. You want to grab from one side. All right, let's put this spoon down. Down. You're gonna. Yay! Woo! Go Henry. Thank you, buddy. All right, and then we're gonna pour half a cup of conditioner in. Are you ready? Okay, here's the conditioner. You ready to stir?
Yeah.
You're gonna stir? Yeah, you're gonna help Mama stir. All right, we're gonna do this at the end. We're gonna scoop at the end, okay? Yeah? You wanna help stir?
Yeah.
Yes, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You wanna come and look at the, you can show them how it looks. So, the baking soda and half a cup of conditioner. So you just mix it so it's well combined, and you'll see that it's going to feel like snow. Mama's gonna go ahead and finish this right here. I'm so excited. Woo! Are you gonna make some snowballs? Yeah. All right. I think it's well mixed. Do you think it's ready? Yeah? All right. So, let's go ahead and feel it. So this is what you want. You want to be able to form some snowballs. Snowballs. Yeah, you want me to put it in the spoon? There you go. So after you've already formed the ingredients and you've mixed them together, whoa, so cool. Now you can decide from here if you guys want to add in some penguins.
Whoa.
And the way we use penguins is, of course, teaching them that the penguins live in the snow. Penguins.
A bean.
Penguins. A penguin.
A bean.
Yes, penguin. So we teach them animal habitat. So penguins live in the snow. And then what we also love to do is count them. Henry is 2.5, but he has been really enjoying counting with us. So we can go ahead and we can pour it out. You can see he can be here, this activity, between 30 to 45 minutes. He'll stay in this for a long time. So what we have here also is a tray. Now you can use your table, or you can put a tablecloth and have this over. You can use this in the bathtub right before the kid takes a bath. And the baking soda is such a great cleaning scrub, so that's a plus, right? All right, so are you liking snow? And what I also have here are some plastic spoons that I got from Walmart and some measuring cups that he can use to scoop and form some balls and kind of use his gross motor skills as well. So that's really important for us. All right, you ready to count?
Count?
Yeah, you ready to count? Say 1.
1.
All right, put one penguin right here. Yeah, are you gonna, there you go. Let's see, let's count. 1. Say 1.
1.
2. 3. 3.
3.
4. Good job, Henry. 4. 5. You like penguins? Whoa, is it swimming? Wow, that penguin is swimming. Good job. Pretend play is also awesome in these parts. So you can do so many things with this. This is why I love. This is our favorite project. We've done this so many times, and we love it. Oh, that's Mama Penguin and Baby Penguin. Yay. You want to count them? Yeah? Yes?
Here.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay. And work on manners.
Whoa.
Whoa, what you got there? Snowball? Wow. You want to build a snowman? Like Olaf?
How's that?
Yeah? Okay, let's build a snowman. Here you go. That's his body.
Oh no.
Oh no, he's not done yet. Here's his head. There you go. Good job, Henry. Oh no. All right. There you go. 1, 2, 2, and 3. This is as closest snow that we'll see here.
Mama.
Snowman! Say snowman!
Mama.
We did it!
I done.
We did it!
I did.
Yay!
Yay.
Good job!
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Good job! Are you having fun?
Bye.
You want penguin? You want another penguin?
Go.
You say more?
Milk.
Please.
Pig.
Okay. Yes, we're gonna get you more. What is this? A penguin.
A bean.
Penguin. Good job, buddy. You sit, flying. Look at that. Oh wait, penguins don't fly. He's swimming. He's sliding down the iceberg. Yay, that's how they get into the water. Like this, go up. Up and down.
Go.
Down. Yeah.
No. Yeah, done.
Yay! Good job. So yes, me and Henry were probably going to enjoy this a couple more minutes, but this is how we like to enjoy the snow activity, the sensory. He loves it. We'll make snowmans and count, as you saw. We talk about how the penguins live in the snow and how they slide down. They don't fly. And we also have polar bears. This is a really fun activity, and you can also take this to the bathtub. I wouldn't recommend it to children who are teething, only because they wouldn't want this to be in their mouth, even though it's not that harmful to them. He loves making the snowballs, and yeah, if you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on our next fun activity. Bye. That was a